Have you ever wanted to create AI characters that look the same in every scene, speak with perfect lip sync, and star in full cinematic videos without filming anything yourself? Watch this.
Do you know how to lip sync with Grok?
No, how?
Big Wiz can teach you.
I can't wait to learn.
Yes, I was lip sync with Grok AI.
Pretty cool, right? If you enjoy content about AI filmmaking and creating videos with AI tools, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorials. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like this using AI. We'll take a simple story idea and turn it into a fully animated video with consistent AI characters, cinematic camera motion, and realistic dialogue. And the best part? You don't need animation skills, and the entire process is surprisingly simple. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate a complete AI story, turn it into cinematic scenes, create consistent AI characters, animate them with perfect lip sync, and combine everything into a full video ready for YouTube. So if you're ready to start creating AI videos that actually feel like movies, let's jump right in. Welcome. To get started, we need to prepare our story, and we will be using Arena.ai to accomplish this. I have also prepared a set of prompts that we will use to generate every step in this video. And of course, I will leave them in the description or the pinned comment. First, we have prompt 1, which is used for generating the base story, as you can see here. Next, we have another prompt to break the story down into individual scenes. The third prompt is for generating detailed character descriptions for our video. After that, we have a prompt that will direct the camera motion and other cinematic details. Finally, we have the last and most important prompt. This will generate up to 20 scenes with dialogue, which will help us lip sync the characters later using Grok AI. Now, navigate to Arena.ai. Once you're on the website, simply log into your account and toggle on Direct Mode, as that is the setting we need. I'll go ahead and copy my prompt for the first step. Then I will return to Arena.ai and paste my prompt into the text box. Essentially, I am asking the AI to write a realistic, mature story set in a slick, modern American metropolis like Chicago or New York. It is about Elias, a weary late-night tech repairman, and Clara, a night shift trauma nurse. The story should focus on the unseen workers of America, showing their bond growing not through grand gestures, but through small acts of service and shared exhaustion. The theme is the weight of the city, focusing on how they support each other's burdens, ending with a poignant life lesson about how love isn't about escaping a hard life, but finding someone to work through it with. Next, I'll click on this drop-down menu and select the model I want to use. You have options like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, and many more. I will select ChatGPT for this example. Click on Send right here, agree to the terms, and ChatGPT will begin generating our story. Let's give it a moment. As you can see, ChatGPT has successfully generated the story as requested. To animate this properly, we need to break it down into scenes. I will copy my second prompt and paste it right here. Here is what I am requesting ChatGPT to do. Break the story into exactly 20 scenes. For each scene, include 1. The action, meaning what is happening in the moment. 2. The character name, indicating who is the focus. 3. The emotion, detailing the specific internal feeling, such as stoic, fatigue, or flickering hope. And 4th, the setting, focusing on a specific American urban location, like a 24-hour diner. Finally, the constraint is to keep each scene description to exactly 2 lines. With this pasted, I will go ahead and click Send. ChatGPT will now start breaking down the story into 20 numbered scenes. Let's give it a moment to see how it turns out. ChatGPT has now broken the story down into 20 scenes. As you can see, it clearly outlines the action, the character's emotion, and the specific setting for each moment. Before we start generating the scenes themselves, we need to establish the visual designs for our characters. I have a prompt prepared for this as well. I'll open my document, copy the character prompt, head back over to Arena.ai and paste it in. This prompt requests detailed character descriptions for AI image generation for both Elias and Clara, asking for exactly 160 words per character. It also specifies details to include, such as physical build, age-worn features, and more, as you can see on screen. I'll go ahead and hit Send. ChatGPT will now generate the visual descriptions of our characters. Give it a moment. Now, both character descriptions have been provided. We have Elias, who is described as a lean, late-30s Latino man with a slight slouch from long hours, and we have Clara's description right here as well. Next, let's generate the actual images using Google Whisk. I'll open a new tab, navigate to Google Whisk, sign in to my account, and enter the tool. The interface looks like this. On the left, we have sections for the subject, the scene, and the style. First, I am going to upload a style reference. This dictates the overall mood, setting, and artistic direction for the images I want to generate. I will upload my reference image right here. As you can see, this establishes the visual style I want for all of my scenes. It defines the cinematic look for the video we are creating, ensuring consistency throughout. Now, I'll go ahead and grab the image prompt for Elias. I'll copy it and paste it into the text box. Make sure to toggle on the precise preference setting, then hit Send. Whisk will start generating the image. Let's give it a moment to see the results. As you can see, the generated image perfectly captures the lighting, colors, and settings of our style reference image. This is exactly what we want. I'll go ahead and download this onto my computer. Now I will generate our second character, Clara. I'll copy her prompt, enter it into the text box here, and click on Generate. Perfect. Here is the result. These are the two characters we will feature in this video. As we just tested, all the scenes utilizing Elias and Clara will maintain this consistent aesthetic. The settings, the artistic direction, and the lighting will all perfectly match the style reference image we uploaded earlier. Now that our characters are ready, we can begin generating the actual scenes. I'll return to Arena.ai and copy the description for Scene 1. As you can read, this scene only features Elias. Clara is not in it. Because of this, I will make sure to toggle off Clara in Google Whisk so the AI doesn't get confused. This ensures it generates the scene with only Elias in the frame. I'll click Send. The first scene is now complete, showing Elias driving his rattling tech van through sheets of rain, just as described. Next, I'll go back and copy the text for Scene 2 and paste it into the prompt box. In this scene, Clara is introduced into the story. To reflect this, I will toggle Elias off and select Clara as the subject. I'll hit Send, and Clara has now been successfully generated in the new setting. Moving on, I will copy Scene 3, paste it in, toggle Clara off, select Elias alone, and hit Send. I'll go ahead and generate the remaining scenes behind the camera. After that, we will move on to animating them with dialogue. I have now generated all 20 scenes needed for our video. We have everything from Scene 1 all the way down to Scene 20. The next step is to animate them by bringing camera motion to these static images. To do that, I will head back over to Arena.ai. I will open my document and copy the prompt for cinematic motion and energy. Then I'll paste it into Arena.ai and hit Send. ChatGPT will now generate specific camera movements for each scene. Let's give it a moment to process. Along with these camera motions, we also need to generate the character dialogue. I'll return to my document, copy the dialogue prompt, Bring it over to Arena.ai and hit Send. This will generate spoken dialogue for all 20 scenes. ChatGPT has provided the script, but the lines were a bit too long. For Grok AI to animate the lip sync properly, the dialogue needs to be short. Grok AI currently allows animations of up to 6 seconds for free on standard accounts. Because of this, I prompted ChatGPT to make the dialogue shorter and more concise, which it has successfully done right here. Now, let's open a new tab and head over to Grok. On the Grok website, navigate to Settings and then select Behavior. Look for the Automatic Video Generation setting and make sure you toggle this off. If left on, Grok will automatically start generating a video the moment you upload an image, and we want to input our custom prompts first. Next, navigate to the Imagine tab. This is where the animation magic happens. Ensure your generation type is set to video. From here, I will upload our image for Scene 1. I'll switch back to ChatGPT and copy the camera motion prompt for Scene 1. Then I'll scroll down and copy the corresponding dialogue for this scene. Returning to Grok AI, with my image successfully uploaded, I will first paste the motion prompt into the text box. Next, you need to instruct the AI to process the speech, so type "generate a lip sync with dialogue." After that phrase, paste the actual character dialogue. With both the motion instructions and the dialogue entered, simply click Generate. Grok will begin animating the video. Let's give it a moment. The first scene is finished, so let's play it back and check the result.
St. Jude ER, you're closest.
Figures, what's dying?
Heart monitors dropping.
Cool, who needs sleep, right?
I will repeat this exact same process for the second scene. I'll upload the image for Scene 2, then switch over to grab the camera movement prompt and the dialogue. Back in Grok, I'll paste the camera motion, add the lip sync instruction, paste the dialogue, and hit Send. The second scene is now done, so let's preview it.
You the computer guy?
If something's blinking, yeah.
My monitors are flirting with flatline. Move.
I will proceed to animate the remaining 18 scenes off camera. Once that is complete, I will show you how to stitch them all together using CapCut. Welcome back. I have now animated all 20 scenes. The final step is to compile these individual clips into one cohesive video. To do this, I will open my CapCut app and click on Create Project. I will import all of my video clips, starting from Scene 1 through Scene 20, and drag them down onto the timeline in chronological order. With all the scenes in place, the next step is to add transitions between the clips to give the video a smooth, cinematic feel. Once the transitions are applied, you can also add color grading or filters to further enhance the look. There is one important detail I want to point out regarding Grok AI. When lip syncing or animating highly realistic images, it sometimes struggles to perform as flawlessly as it does with stylized 3D animations. Because of this, in the next few days, I will be uploading a dedicated video showing you how to create 3D animations using Grok AI. I also have an in-depth video editing tutorial already available on this channel, so be sure to check that out for more CapCut tips. That wraps up the process. That is how easy it is to generate, animate, and lip-sync scenes using AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
St. Jude ER, you're closest.
Figures, what's dying?
Heart monitors dropping.
Cool, who needs sleep, right?
You the computer guy?
If something's blinking, yeah.
My monitors are flirting with flatline. Move.
This switch belongs in a museum.
Can it last till sunrise?
If I choke the Wi-Fi for everyone else. Yo, Eli, printer again. Tell it I quit. We all quit. Still here, though. Yeah, that's the trick.
Trauma C ready. Let's move. Telly's freezing. Elias.
I'm on it. Don't pull any cables.
If that monitor blinks one more time, I might...
We're calling it.
Time bun.
You got something on your face.
Blood or tears?
Little of both. That's good. Just what I needed.
That cuts deep.
We talking hand or life?
Hand first.
Figures.
Yeah, feels like my life's late on every bill.
I'm just juggling shut-off notices and prayers.
Rough night?
Is there any other kind lately?
Generator's on, half our stuff's dead.
My favorite level of panic.
You sure about bypassing that?
Nope, do it anyway.
She was 16, man.
Stairs are good for yelling if you need it.
Don't got energy to yell.
Then sit, I'll do the breathing part.
Wake me at Western.
If I'm awake at Western?
We're a mess.
Yeah, same route though.
Eat more, mijo, you disappear.
I already work nights. I'm halfway gone. You two work too hard.
Bills work harder. You survived my mom, that's something.
I might need a trauma consult.
You're good.
You sure?
Come here. You ever picture kids?
You don't warm up, huh?
Just asking.
Sometimes. Then my alarm goes off.
Think about quitting?
Every night around 2.
Why don't you?
Same reason you don't.
I don't need saving.
Good, I'm broke.
Just don't bail when it gets ugly.
That's my whole resume.
City's heavy tonight.
It's always heavy,
Feels lighter though.
because you're not carrying it alone.